Hi everybody, it's Nunu, and my purpose in this video is to provide an overview of the chat function in the left menu here in Canvas. So what is chat? Well, chat is chatting with people live online if they're online at the same time you are, or posting messages or jokes or whatever you want to post in chat. Just make sure it's appropriate, okay? Nothing too wild and crazy. So let's click on chat and see how it works. And so I go into chat and there's only one person online. I can pull this down arrow, and if there were somebody else online, I would see the person's name. You're seeing test student because I am your instructor, and so I'm listed as test student. Okay, as test student, I left a question. Does anybody know if the instructor left an A example for Essay 1? I'm lost, help me. So you can post questions like that, help for assignments, and I definitely check chat, so I would answer a question like this. But with a question like this about assignments, these questions are very important. It's much better to come over to me here in inbox and message me, because I will see your message, your question about an A example for Essay 1 much more rapidly here, and I would want to pay attention to it instantly. And never worry about messaging me in inbox once, twice, 100 times, 300 times, as many times as you need until something is clear. So how do we chat and chat? Hello, anybody out there? I'm bored. Are you working on Essay 3? And click send. We could also have funny emojis here that we could put in our messages if we wanted to. So this is how we use chat. And let me put one more message with an emoji. I'm the best. An angel. I just posted essay 6 on time, and there's the angel right there. I'll put the angel in and send it, and there's my angel. So chat is a lot of fun. I check it, others check it. It's a fun feature to feel that you're not alone in the classroom, but always remember I'm here in inbox, and I keep my office hours on Zoom of Tuesdays and Thursdays from 1 to 3. And I'm going to go back to home to my picture here that is kind of covered, but I am Nuala, Nunu Mary Lincke, and I do care about your learning, and I'd like you to have fun learning. So maybe start to use the chat function, okay?